Here too, 3 of the boats loaded. And here do I see goddamn Ken. How's it going, buddy?
How's it going?
Good to see you.
Hello, everybody out there in YouTube land.
You all remember Ken? One of them's gonna trip. Watch this. The one in the front. Cool mohawks. Alright, we got little man in there, cruising. He's ready to go. He's still figuring it out. Turn the other way. There you go. She's out there. He's in there. This is a 4-boat Elkins here. Okay. Okay, I'm getting you. Scoot over a little bit. Yep. Okay, we are underway, boy. Steering is much improved. Hi, guy.
Hey, I can touch the water. Hey! You can touch it if you want to.
You guys loving it? Let's go over to Ken over there.
Yeah, that's good.
How's it going?
Bad.
It is a liability. He just ran into Ken. Ken's got a little boat. Does that count?
Hey, a toy boat. There's a toy boat over there.
Hey! It's chasing us. Let's go back there out of the wind a little bit, okay? Rock on. Hey, go build a mini boat. What are you doing? Ned's the guy that made these electronic controllers here. Stay away from the land, okay? Oh my god, he's the worst. I mean the best. Okay, I'm in a old reliable blue Jurassic World boat. Steering went out on one boat and the motor went out on the other, so its steering basically was out, so yeah, he'll run right into somebody. What? What?
In a minute, can I be in Ava's boat and drive it?
No, we gotta practice at home first before you do that so you don't crash out here. Because there's other boats cruising around and he's already making me really nervous the way he's driving. Now that he's not going so fast, it's a little better.